was cool. Turn it up a little bit. Yeah.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be working with ft.ISEE Hair Beauty. They sent me over their 24-inch Mongolian Water Wave headband wig along with 2 pairs of lashes, 3 headbands, an elastic band, and a wig cap. I'm gonna first start off by getting my hair more easier to manage, so I'm gonna go in with my spray bottle and dampen up my hair a little bit so that it's easier for me to put on my wig cap. So at the top right of the screen, I'm just showing you guys how the hair looks straight out the box. The curls are perfect. The hair was definitely soft. I had no problems with shedding it all. So after that, I'm just gonna place this wig on, and to secure it more, I'm gonna go in with another scarf on top of that, and that pretty much completes the look. This wig is very easy to install. It's very beginner friendly. I will leave all the information to this hair in the description down below, and yeah.
Smelling all the perfume place, sitting in the pasture, sleep, hoping that's the air I breathe, holding you, melting you, haunting
So I was kind of feeling the big look on this hair, so I'm not going to go in with any products. I'm just going to get rid of the frizz by just adding a little bit of water, and I'm going to leave it like that.
Sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that I'm coming from you. Sitting in the passenger seat, hoping that the air I breathe from you. I feel you, I hold you, I mold you, I want you. Sitting in the passenger seat.
Once again, this hair is from ft.ISEE Hair Beauty. You can check them out on Instagram. This was a 24-inch Mongolian Water Wave headband wig. Very easy to install, beginner friendly. The hair was soft. I had no problems with shedding. And if you want to get this same exact wig, I will leave everything in the description, and I will see you guys in my next video.
I see you.